Exam preparation. Hello everyone. Using mind maps for exam preparation can make your study sessions more efficient. Begin with exam preparation at the center of your mind map. Branch out to essential areas like exam schedules, subject revision plans, practice tests, and stress management strategies. Under each branch, add specific tasks like creating a study timetable, identifying key topics, and setting practice test dates. This structured approach helps you manage your time, cover all necessary material, and reduce anxiety. Mind maps can streamline your exam prep process and boost your confidence. Can you dig it? I'm sure you will. Peace.